Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Now for the pound dollar, right? There are some heavy resistance coming up on top. So firstly on the daily, we have the 200 MA forming a potential point of resistance. And then we have this point, right? This point. So where do we go from here? Here we can see price move either way. It could form a messy pattern, come back all the way down here, and then retest. But until it happens, our bias is to the upside, and we should be ready to split out our entry into a few bullets, and then buy as it goes all the way down here. Yeah. So for the bull case, I think 1.385 is not a problem. See if there's some confluence. Yep. So this trend line also says 1.385. So I think our major resistance will be 1.385, and then over there we'll see what will happen, right? So what I expect is price retrace down and then breaks up, right? In one fell swoop. So for the bear case, if there's too much dead weight here, right, it's made too many people rich here by this pump. It has no choice but to go down, right? Otherwise, market makers will lose money. And they have all the data. So what's going to happen here is if it's too heavy, price will need to come back down. But it's fine because we know that our price target is here, and we know that it needs to hit that price target. So the immediate level that we will start buying again is maybe here 1.37, and maybe down to 1.365. And if it breaks both, then we will need to reevaluate our position. Yeah, maybe 1.36 could be a level that you could dump back down to.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.